Welcome to Hashman's World. Today we're going to be unboxing the HK-2000 faucet. Very simple. I'll leave your mirror on the top here. Be careful you don't drop it. Place this to the side. You can discard the packing material. Take your lid off. Here is your canister. Right here is where there's 4 nails. Take those out, and this front bar comes out, and then we're going to place our mirror in the slot. Easy as that. As soon as that goes in the slot, put the nails back in. Put the wood back in. And you're good to go. See that? That's your base, where you're going to collect all them trichomes. It's your 75 micron screen. Now you're going to load up your canister with your material. Close it up. You're going to slide it into the motor first, and then onto its bracket. Plug it in. And we're sifting. You can even close it up. Set it and forget it. It's easy as that. Happy sifting.